All right, the drink we're about to make is called Cowboy Killer. First thing we'll do is put our ice in a glass and add 1 shot of tequila. There we go. Follow that up with a half a shot of Bailey's. And also a half a shot of butterscotch schnapps. And finally, we'll just fill it up the rest of the way with half and half. There we go. And we'll go ahead and mix this up real well. And if you've had a long day of raising and roping broncos, just make yourself a Cowboy Killer. And that's a good way to finish off your day. Set up a glass and give it a pour. And we got a nice frothy beverage. There we go. And don't be afraid to kick the cowboy boots and the shit kickers and enjoy a Cowboy Killer. Bottoms up.